We got about 3 inches of snow on the ground here. Weatherman only said, you know, supposed to get like 1.5 inches. Wrong again. But anyway, we're headed out to Tully here. We're gonna scrape up everything with Taj and work our way to Walmart to probably Ithaca way. Alright, now it's time to shovel the sidewalks here. Probably about 1 inch of snow on them, as you can see. Next we're going to be going through all that, and then head over to the key bank. Alright, now we're headed to the eye doctor here to go plow and scrape and do the sidewalks. Alright, the eye doctor is done here now. Now I gotta go salt the sidewalks at Walmart. That ought to be fun. It's gonna take a while, but you gotta be done. Just finished the sidewalks here at Walmart. Parking lot is all salted and it's blacktop. Looking good, looking good. Alright, now I'm in another place we plow here. It's a plumbing place in town here. Taj went back to get the salt truck because he's got a salt now after we plowed. It's snowing very hard out here now. It's probably like a 1/2 inch an hour, 1 inch an hour maybe even. But yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera and get some footage of it plowing. Alright, so the key bank here in Homer is already got like 1 inch on it. It's just snowing so bad out. Alright, I just got done scraping up a few places. Now we're gonna head over to PNC, hop in the loader and scrape up the parking lot there, do friendlies and shovel the sidewalk because they got about 1.5 inches in the parking lot. So gonna go do that, and yeah.